Welcome to Study Loop.
So energy which is lost is equal to the initial potential energy minus the final potential energy, which is mg hi minus mg hf, or you can say mg times hi minus hf. So putting the numbers in their right places, 0.6 kilogram is the mass times 9.8, and then the initial height was 1.05 minus the final height is 0.57. So multiplying out those numbers gives me the amount of work done is equal to 2.82 joules. Now for the force, so this was part A. Now let's go to part B. We know that work is equal to Fs. The amount of work that the player has to do is equal to the amount of energy which was lost. So he applies some force over a distance of 0.08 meters. So force comes out to be equal to 35.3 newtons.